14. First spoke the Shah. Salaman, O my soul, O taper of the banquet of my house, light of the eyes of my prosperity, and making bloom the court of hope with rose. Years rosebud, like my own blood I devoured, till in my hand I carried thee, my rose. Oh, do not tear my garment from my hand, nor wound thy father with a dagger thorn. Years for thy sake the crown has worn my brow, and years my foot been growing to the throne. Only for thee, O spurn them not with thine. O turn thy face from dalliance unwise. Lay not thy heart's hand on a minion. For what thy proper pastime, is it not to mount and manage Raksh along the field? Not with stouter weapon than a lovelock, idly reclining on a silver breast. Go and fly thine arrow at the antelope and lion, and let not me my lion see, slain by the arrow eyes of a gazelle. Go flash thy steel among the ranks of men, and smite the warriors' necks, not flying them. Lay down thine own beneath a woman's foot. Leave off such doing in the name of God, nor bring thy father weeping to the ground. Years have I held myself aloft, and all for thee, O shame, if thou prepare my fall. When before Shiruez's feet, drenched in blood, fell Ka'i Khusrau, he declared this parable: Wretch, there was a branch that waxing wanton o'er the root he drank from. At a draught, the living water, drained wherewith himself to crown, died the root, and with it died the branch, and barren was brought down. And if you focus on a part to the point where you can't, you won't maintain the others, if something happens with that part, then you fall into these problems, right? And what is a Raksh?